ball here. If you pass him the ball on his left foot, he's going to turn bese siyaphambili. But you pass the ball ku right, uyamxaka omunye umntwana teammate yakho. Now look what happens. Cross here, Cross had a chance to pass Umobi here, bafethu. He decides to do what? He wants to dribble. He had a chance to pass there. It's just pass omunye umntwana, pass uhodo. Sanibonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. A very tactical game from both sides. I did say if Kaizer Chiefs wants to get a result, a point or a win from this game was to play three midfielders. Undlovu, Mthethwa, Umabuwe. And that's what they did. And another thing that I said they must do, they have to be aggressive in the midfield. They did that. I'm going to show you Undlovu. I'm going to show you their setup, both teams, their formation. And I'm going to show you the game plan, the Pirates. Now, let's start. First minute of the game, right? Ball on the right hand side, Ipolalizo shifter to the left hand side. And it sharp. Pirates, we know 4-2-3-1. But in this game, they started Umuremi on the right hand side. Because why? They wanted to catch Ukros in pace, right? With speed. Now, Chiefs on the other side, Umabuwe, Mthethwa, Undlovu. But the good thing, I have to give credit to Upule did very well defensively. We all know Uguti, when it comes to taking back, they like him for that. Ne? And then, but he scored a goal as well. Didn't do badly when attacking. Ne? Was always coming in here, not to give whoever's gonna play as a half 10 space la. Did very well. Now, gameplay in the Pirates. This was the gameplay in the Pirates. I'm gonna show you more clips on Pirates playing long passes. That was the gameplay in the Pirates. I'm gonna show you more clips of them playing a long ball. Another clip of both teams, how they set up in this game, right? I did say Pirates 4-2-3-1. Yeah? What I like about the technical team here Chiefs is they try different formations. They are not like the Pirates, but the Pirates, their formation, it works for them, right? Even sometimes when it doesn't work, the problem is they still stick to the same formation. The Chiefs changed it in the second half. That's what I like. But in the first half, it's the 4-1-4-1. Sometimes it became a 4-5-1. It just depends where is the ball or what do we want to do in the game. And it's sharp. Now, Mfukeng was playing as a left wing, sometimes coming in as a half 10. Okay, let's say he was playing as a half 10. Apolis was playing as a 10. I don't know why they played him as a 10. Right? They were supposed to switch these two. But obviously, during the game, they do that. But this is how they started. Umuremi playing as a half 10. Be here, Mfanagiti. But we all know he likes making the run. Nangiti. Utandu Kichi. Now, gameplay near Pirates. Again. Long pass. Showed you he set up your Pirates when they had the ball, and then Air Chiefs when they didn't have the ball. Let me show you Air Chiefs when they had the ball. Then, when it comes to Chiefs creating things, they couldn't create a lot of things. Undlovu was losing a lot of balls in the first half. Undlovu was losing a lot of balls in the first half. Like I said, Chiefs when they have the ball, they have a 3-set midfield. Defense. go to my preview or the previous video, right? 3 defenders. Nangumthethwa, then you have uMabuwe noNdlovu. Sharp. Then again, what they did, uDuba. Remember when they don't have the ball, uDuba was the right wing. So now when they have the ball, he tucks in, it becomes a half turn, so that Umunyani can push up, right? Sharp. Long pass, good first touch, ithathe mfana kithi. That was the Chiefs. But now the final product, that's why I prefer Ulilepo on the left, because when it comes to attacking, he gives us more than Umodi. I did say Uguti, for Chiefs to get something in this game, they needed to play those midfielders. The game plan that's very important is to be aggressive in the midfield. I mean, I'll even play Umthethwa. I can play Umthethwa here, play uNdlovu here, and play uMabuwe, right? And then you have these two, uMabuwe, no Ndlovu. Yibo bazoloke bapush. Umthethwa will sit. That will be my game plan. And they have to be aggressive. Put nyamazi uNdlovu, he bites now and then. Now, especially uNdlovu, because wenzani uyabhayitha. It's not about having a nice game here. It's a derby, bafethu, right? Pirates players don't like being pushed or kicked around or being aggressive. Abathandi i-aggression. Now I'm gonna show you uNdlovu. Ndlovu kabaraka. This is uNdlovu. Another clip. YakaNdlovu being aggressive, biting in the midfield. When you play against Pirates, and if you are aggressive in the midfield, you will win the ball at some point. Now, in King Awuti, what do you do with that opportunity when you get it? This is Ndlovu again, being aggressive, biting, he bites. Now it's time for us to attack. Poor. That's why I prefer Ulilepo on the left when it comes to attacking. Yes, Umodi played well. Take nothing away from Umodi. Now, Begala, right? It is 5 against 4. There's no need for you to pass the ball there. And even if we are passer, passa kahle. You don't pass the ball espacing la. Why do you pass the ball espacing? There's no need to pass the ball espacing. The moment passayo, agana speed. Right? Control the ball, push the ball, and it becomes 5 against 4. If this guy comes with a presser, then you can pass this guy or you can pass here. Simple, but you decide to pass the ball. Another clip, the gameplay near Pirates. Makes a beautiful run. Hey, Mfanagit. But now, here, you are the striker. You don't cross the ball, Mfanagit. You are the striker. Livali, bring the ball back. Livali. You are the tallest player esinayo Pambi. And when we are taking Uomude and then you want to cross the ball. But this was a beautiful run. Take nothing away. This was a beautiful run. But Msimang Mfanagit. You don't run in front of a player. You can't run in front of the player. The player Lisa saw. They play the ball when you are in front of him. Kanjan. Let him run past you. And because if he's in front of you here, when you are still protecting Amako. But so say move Mfanagit. Bafethu. Now, Umbutuma here, right? Does everything well. But now, bring the ball back, Mfanagit. Don't cross. There's no one there. Don't cross. When you play against the Pirates, when they play the long ball, you have to win the second ball. Now, in this clip, also, it's the offside goal. They didn't show us. I don't know why Bangas Bonisanga replay with a different angle. I don't know why. Now, long ball from Ukipa, you have to win the second ball. You don't have to win the first ball because Malila, they can't score, you can't. But you have to win the second ball. Yeah? You have to win the second ball. Now, if you don't win the second ball, you are in trouble because they have player that are fast or quick in the middle. You can always play one, just like Maj Bayern, they just played it long. How the first half played out, I think Pirates should have scored at least one goal. But it was a difficult chance. You have to give credit to Peterson. Again, ball behind. Great save here. Maybe the pass could have been better, right? But great save here from the keeper. But let me take it back. Let me small details of it. Small details. Now, chap, it is Zizotine. 5 against 5. You can't have that. Now, this is not a straight line. Especially forget about here. Now, Fabian McCarthy, this guy is supposed to be in line with him, both of them. But now, watch what happens. He pushes in, but what he does, he still goes with the attacker. He's not playing an offside trap. He just wanted to be close. But small mistake, you were pushing in. Instead of Guti, you stay in your position. Now, Simango again. I don't know why he pushed in because we are not playing an offside trap. Each is actually a team that plays an offside trap or a highlight. Stay with your striker because now we are Pagat Nendao. This guy is what? He's free. That's why the pass could have been better. The pass could have been better. Even Umbutumana could have done better. When I say the Chiefs must play Umthetho, it was not because of Umnandi or Uyagwazuglan. It was because of his defensive duties. Problem now, there were times where Chiefs wanted to play. No, guys. Pirates didn't capitalize. I'm going to show you 2 clips. Alright, Umthetho just to do this. Now, Silwini Lipola. Play him. Play the ball here. With your left foot in Panangit. You play it, Siapuma. Okay, sharp. You decide to play it here. Now, Umthetho, what happens? Because it's not his fault. Even Nala, it's not his fault. Abam peganga, guys. Now, but what I liked, Umodi. That's why available Fagi. Now, the recovery Yagamodi here. Just to put pressure on your police. I did say you must not give him time and space because Utanduk shy. Another clip Yagamthetho. Pirates could have scored here. Great save by Peterson. Pass the ball this side. Guys, development. You pass I need to follow Puma. We want to come out. Why do you pass the ball to his right foot? Pass the ball. There's no one here. There's no one. Some coaches will tell you good development. Make your teammate look good. If akekho mnandi, ungafwenzi izinto ezidizi ezizomxaka. Do simple things. Pass the ball here. If you pass him the ball on his left foot, he's going to turn. But you pass the ball, go right. Teammate yakho. Now look what happens. Now his first touch is bad. He's not turning. He's not letting the ball roll past him. Besayal Kushina and then besayam a blocker. Utito besaya pambi. Because agapegwanga right. Now we lose the ball. Small details, small things, Inji. Great save there. Great block. We almost considered a goal because of small things. Just to pass and turn, pass and trap as years. Second half. Second half, Kaizer Chiefs changed. Akhipha umthetho, wafaka uShabalala. I'm going to show you their setup. Ne? For me, I still say ukuthi the technical team Chiefs, ne? They can change them, but they are a good technical team. Those two guys, I've seen a lot. They are very smart now. But another thing, they have to buy better players. You can't have players that can't think. You can't have players that can't pass the ball, that make difficult choices. I need sharp. Now watch. Umthetho uphumile angithi. Now these are the two double pivots. Angithi. Now Uduba is playing as a half 10. Shabalala playing as a half 10. Now watch this. Umunyani is over here. Let me take it back. It's a simple thing, Mpanagiti. The ball comes to you. There is space here. Uduba is making a run there. You should play him the ball. But another thing that Umunyani did, which was wrong, he made that run to that space. Communication. You see, both of them, they are making the run into this space. Had Umunyani came here, what was gonna come with him or Begazuma in this position? Basically, kuba space la. Communication. But the defender should have played the ball. You can't have two players making a run. Two players are telling you, Guti, there is a space there. That's why C2, see Alapaya. You play the ball. Decision making. Okay, Kacheni Batot. Now, watch again. Simple thing. Now, Utrepili Paula, there's two players here. When you want to play the ball there, guys, now tell me which one is a difficult pass to make? Which one is a difficult pass to make? These two here or Lomuntu Lola? Obvious is these two. Pass the ball there, my man. Yes. Jehovah. Bafethu. No man, yazi nokunyika ungcono sokuthi ulimele, but I think bebazofaka yena. Now we lose the ball. Then uSibisi naye futhi Jehovah bafethu. Goal le Kaizer Chiefs, right? Beautiful run from Uduba. But both goals came from people not doing simple things. Just pass the ball. My man. Pass the ball. Ball is on the right hand side. Ball is gonna come to the left. Now watch here. Let me take it back. I just want to freeze it. The ball, Nigusibis, trap the ball and pass Uhoto. You trap the ball and pass it to him. Simple. Nothing difficult. But now you want to push the ball. Now you are passing someone next to Ukachen. Ukachen has been biting the whole game. Bafethu. Now look what happens. Bapumile. Now remember the double pivot. Umsebenzi wabo is to cut these sort of runs. But Uduba is got pace. Yabashiya. This was beautiful from Uduba. He relaxed. He saw Uguti. They are 2 or 3 teammates wakhe coming. He didn't want to be selfish. Angafuna ukuba selfish. Because think about it. He could have taken a shot here. He had every right to take a shot because there's no defender coming to him. Goalkeeper Umile, he had every right to take a shot. But because he's not selfish, there's 2 other players This run, Ega Shabalala, almost yenza ukuthi le goal leli lingabi khona because bekangahlala la just to open up his space. If he moves there, uSibelebele is gonna move there, then there is space for these two. But because this boy was calm, he was calm and collected. Now, beautiful pass. Cabanga lidlule phakathi neenyawo. Great finish. But it started because of someone didn't want to pass, wanted to be a midfielder, he wanted to think tool. Goal, the Orlando Pirates. I'm gonna start it here. Yeah? You have Utito making a run here. And it Mfukeng playing as a half 10, Utito was playing as a 10. Maba in the substitution. Now, he moves into the space. We are supposed to cover the passing lanes. We don't. Okay? Sharp. Could have crossed the ball there. Okay? President. Sharp. They take the ball. Now, cross here. Ukross had a chance to pass Umobi here, Bafethu. He decides to do what? He wants to dribble. He had a chance to pass there. It's just that they don't show this angle. But I'm 100% sure he had a chance to pass there, but he wanted to dribble. Why do you want to dribble? We haven't beaten this team in the league for so long. Even if Bowukahleli Pola ngaphandle mfanakithi or phambili. Okay, sharp. Now, I want you to focus. Kudu. And hold. What you hold? Simple thing, Panagiti. Pass someone who's making a run, Hamguako, and then you make a run forward. You might get the ball. Simple. Don't be selfish. A police. That simple thing, G. But Utuba, I'm Shile, because what? He was ball watching. Parat. Inside. Because why? Someone didn't want to pass. Both goals. They didn't want to pass the ball. Now, we lose the ball, Langit. We lose the ball. Sharp. Recover, Mpanagit. Your left back, the left back is out of position. Now we go to that position. Run, Mpanagit. Run. We are not running enough. Crying for offside. Kaizer Chiefs had a chance to score. Hey, Mara. One thing about Umunyani, he always makes good runs, Pambi. But his finishing, shooting, assess. Poor. Okay. Nyai Frizala. When we have the ball, we throw in your Pirates. When you see a situation is so, Mina, I become scared because if they win the ball here, there's no one or Pirates la. If they win the ball, we are going to be in trouble. We are definitely going to be in trouble. I would have preferred our police just to be here, and just to be here, and then Uhoto avali space la. Close down the space because there's just too much space for Kaizer Chiefs players la. We lose the ball. And okay, they attack. Now, watch Umunyani making a run. Good pass from Mulile. Poor shooting. Okay, he had every right to shoot. Mara, I'm gonna take it back. Just look at this. Imagine had he passed the ball. I'm not saying good Begmela pass because Upegane no goalkeeper. Ne? Upegane no goalkeeper. He's got every right to shoot. Lilepo was all alone. Final clip, Besenge Vala. This clip, it's got a lot of things that I always talk about. You play against the Pirates, you don't let Usipo Chain as a figure. You don't let him as a figure. One needs to go and press. Even if Bazo pass a lot, it's okay. You don't let him pass the ball. Another thing, when he plays with long ball, you don't have to win the first ball, but you have to win the second ball. Now watch Gatsheni, Habasha. This was supposed to be a foul. Okay, sharp. Urevutini, play on, continue. Pass the ball, Mfanagit. If you pass the ball, you must know your teammates. If you pass Umori the ball, uzolvala futhi bese azofuna umuntu azompass. But you don't pass him the ball. You decide, okay, want to pass him now. Now, decision making, Banagit. There's Ulilepo here. We want to go and score. Eh? Peggy's City. We want to go and score. When you play the ball there. That's why Undlovu wanted to play the ball first time, but his touch was poor because he recognized good there's space la. Boshabalala. Okay, sharp. Now, decision making again. Bafethu. Phasa omunye umntwana, phasa uhodo. Umfukeng was 2 years or 3 years ago would have passed the ball there. Eh? Umakopana is making a run there. Pass uhodo, dog. Pass uhodo. There is space la. You pass uhodo, he's gonna shoot first time. Even if he misses, ne? Okay. But pass him the ball. Bafethu. Now you want to pass the ball so good. Why bonga pass? Pega. Just look at the reaction. Just look at the reaction ya Gahood. Eh? Look. Bafethu. Pass the ball. Yini into enzima ngokuphasa umuntu ogijimayo phambi kwakho. Bafethu. I thank you for watching, Bafethu. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Please become a member. Ngiyabonga. Thank you for watching.